Aaron and Nate with Any Pitch Roofing and Restoration out here on behalf of Sterling McGee, 8273 Fairfax Cove, South Haven, Mississippi, 38671. Progressive claim number 1539580252551. We're just trying to prove repairability issues.
Alright, so we're going to do a repair itself. Go through and make sure all these are loose. Start taking off the screw. Go through here. See that this shingle was already damaged. Plenty of wind damage. Try to get this nail to come out. Did not pull through. See where the shingle from. No nail pop around here. No nail pop. No nail pop.
So far, no fastener failure.
Oh, yes, it is. Fastener failure on this one.
First documented nail pop past fastener there.
This one's already popped through.
That one failed.
This one documented. Another nail pop. Fastener failure on that one also. Pull this shingle out now.
Got you. Go ahead, grab your new one, do your thing.
Put in a tape up here to measure that.
Not yet. We'll slide that new one in. We'll see what it does. If that, yeah, I was gonna say if it goes, don't worry about it. I'll hold the flat bar. You should only need your hammer and your nails now.
We check for material transfer on this one.
Looks pretty good, other than just the wind damage and the excessive granule loss.